Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you State Farm Drive Safe and Save setup instructions. First, download the Drive Safe and Save app from your app store and open it. The app will ask how you want to log in. You can either use your existing account credentials or create a new account. Keep in mind, the app will need access to your driver's license. If you already have an account, tap Use Login Details. Otherwise, create a new account. The process is simple and straightforward. Once logged in, you can view your scorecard right in the app. Here, you can choose to enroll or cancel your enrollment. Tap Agree to enroll to join the Drive Safe and Save program and qualify for a discount. Tap Overview to check your insurance details and bills. This includes health, other information, and completing the full enrollment is necessary to maintain your discount. You can also access Safe and Drive, where you'll see your vehicle information and complete the setup. You'll be able to view the VIN number and other details, and you can edit your odometer readings if needed. After editing, you can also view your savings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.